Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kionna Sharice, and today I'm back with another candle unboxing from FORVR Mood. I actually wasn't sure if I was gonna need or if y'all would want me to do these anymore. Sorry, I'm filming different and I see a wasp. I wasn't sure if I was going to need to do these anymore because congrats to the brand. They did launch in Sephora, but so far I'm guessing they're just testing it out. I don't know, because the full line is not in the store yet. So I will continue doing these videos if y'all still like them. But I purchased the new Lavishly Jackie collection. This release was in honor of her birthday and 1 year at FORVR Mood. FORVR Mood was launched on her birthday last year. And this collection is a duo. There are no minis. It's not 4 candles. It's 2 candles that are sold together. I don't think you can get them separately. I need to double check. And you could buy them in different bundles. So they had the big bundle where you got the 2 candles. You got one of the headbands, the silk headbands that FORVR Mood sells, along with a coaster. I got the bundle that just came with the coaster because I didn't really need the headband, and then you could get the candles just by themselves. My video keeps cutting out on me today. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully the last sentence went in. But basically I was saying I'm about to unbox the box. I will say that this one did take a little bit longer to ship out than my last ones because usually they had been shipping within like a day or two, but I see I ordered this on the 4th and I think I got it. It's been a couple days since I got it, and today is the 23rd. I can say it's been at least a week and a half since I ordered it. And also this collection is supposed to be limited edition. I have not checked the site to see if you can still order it or not, but I'll put that in the description box. Like as of me uploading it, what's the deal? So first things first, ignore the mess, but it's from unboxing. But I did get a candle from the last collection, which I reviewed right here, the Sprung Season collection. My favorite one and one of my favorite candles from the brand so far, Butterfly Effect. This is, please don't mind my nail. You know, I filmed so much today with these raggedy nails. I am upset. But this is my first time actually buying a single candle from the, from the brand. So I've never like seen the individual boxes in person, but this one just smelled so good to me. I had to get a full size. So good. And now for what you're here for. Now, unfortunately, the box got a little squished. I'm not sure if it's the way it was packed, but anyways, this is the box the coaster came in. I do think it's cute that it came with its own like designed coaster, but yeah, a little not happy with how this got squished. But on the back it says each coaster is one of a kind, just like you, with Jackie's signature. I was tempted to order a second coaster because I do believe you could order them on their own, because I like to have things in pairs. I'm big on like symmetry, and I feel like I didn't want to get stressed by having just one coaster that looked like this. If you feel me, you feel me. But this is what it actually came in. I'm about to open that up. And I was about to say, I'm not sure which side is the top, but it's got to be this side, because the back side, this is what it looks like. And the front side has like the gold edges, so this has to be the front. And mine it's very lilac, I would say, with some brown in there. So that's what it looks like. I do think this is, I don't want to be negative, but I do feel like this is small for a coaster. It's smaller than any of the other coasters that I own. But I mean, it's not too small for a cup to be on. I'm actually drinking water right now, so I mean, it does fit up there, but it's a small coaster. It is cute though. And I want to say, what is this made out of though? Because I think a coaster on its own, I'm seeing $28 in my mind. So I think that's what it is. I'm like, is this a $28 coaster? I'm gonna let y'all decide. Here comes the big boys. So first off, let's get into the box. It says Lavishly Jackie collection. On top, we have the nice design on the sides, and like I think all the boxes say open to get lit. And then on the inside, it says self-care isn't selfish, Kionna, which I think is very much her brand, her thing. Because if you didn't know, she made a new Instagram like a while ago called Lavishly Jackie, which I actually do like. And it's more some self-care, some luxe stuff, more, I wouldn't say personal, but getting more into lifestyle and kind of how she spends her day or unboxing things, stuff like that. I actually quite like it. So we have two candles in this collection called Old Money and New Money. And I do notice that Old Money has a bit of a scratch right here. I'm not trying to be nitpicky, but I just want to show you. Yeah, and it's another little like scrape right here. Like I said, I just want to show you, but I'm not trying to be away. So I'm gonna do my usual thing where I smell them, tell you what I think, and then read off the actual scent notes. We're gonna start with Old Money, which is this like kind of sea foam green color. And as soon as I opened it, the scent smacked me in the face. One thing FORVR Mood is gonna give you is some throw. I definitely like this. It's reminding me of something. This is crazy. Like, I'm so stumped. Like, I cannot tell you what I smell, but I know what I smell. Something like a little spicy, but sweet. I give up. Like it smells spicy, but not as spicy as yeah, We Not Lincoln over there, or I believe Gingerbread Trap House. Let me just look. Old Money, not new to this, true to this. So for the top, we have creamy butter and brandy liqueur, mid brown sugar cinnamon, and base vanilla pecan. Okay, I'm seeing it now because it's giving me like a, what is that? Captain Morgan. Think of like a spiced rum. Yeah, like a spiced rum, but not fully. It's still definitely sweet. I'm getting the creamy butter, brown sugar, vanilla. I'm getting all of that. I do like this, and I don't think, like, I can't really compare it to anything else in the brand. I did bring up the other cinnamony ones, but this is not like that. And next we're gonna try New Money, which is this like a pewter blue? Yeah, something like that. Ooh, very different from Old Money. Very much giving fresh linen, beach, water, clean. Febreze? Yeah, I think I said it all. It's giving like coast, beach, air freshener, but not in a negative way. Like if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Let's see. New Money, Mo Candles. Okay. So top is Fresh Shore Breeze, Coconut Berry Pineapple, mid cyclamen, I don't know what that is, jasmine and violet, and the base is golden amber, woody, vanilla, musk, caramel. I feel like that's the most mix, that one of the biggest mixes that I've seen from the brand so far. Now I can't say this is the kind of candle I would have picked up because it's not the scents I gravitate towards. If you've watched my other videos, you probably got a sense of what kind of stuff I like. But ooh, like can't be duped from the first Candle Club collection drop, the black candle. That's me. Like, that's me. That's top 5. Now I do say top 5 a lot because I don't actually want to sit down and say which are in my top 5, but that's definitely a favorite. That's what I like. But that's basically it for this unboxing slash review. Old Money is giving vanilla, some Captain Morgan, and New Money is giving beach Febreze. And that sounds shady, but it's not. It's really just the quickest way I can relate to you what they smell like. Definitely not shady. Did have a couple issues with the packaging because even the box is like a little, it's like little, but I want it to be perfect because these are not cheap. But that's going to be it for this video. Please let me know down below if you still want me to keep doing these videos, because I think once everything is in Sephora, maybe they're not necessary anymore. But until then, I don't mind doing these. I was gonna buy it anyway, but I do think having to buy 2 big candles, I'm shaking the table, sorry, it was kind of an investment, because I do feel like, at least for filming, the minis were a lot more, or I would say a lot less financial impact to me. And then I could buy my favorite big one if I did have a favorite, like I just bought Butterfly Effect. But yeah, I'm curious where the brand will go, because I was just thinking to myself, you know, I don't run a business, so I don't know. But releasing so many scents, I was wondering, like, at some point, I would assume it would get overwhelming. But I mean, I really have no idea. I was just kind of curious. So yeah, that is the Lavishly Jackie new collection from FORVR Mood. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. So if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, if you would like. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.